7 things you didn't know you can do with your old Android tablet. If you own a budget Android tablet, chances are that you have just kept it aside owing to its limited performance capabilities or because you upgraded to a better one. However, your budget tablet is not completely useless and can be employed for various purposes. The large screen of your tablet is great for viewing maps and directions. Get a car mount 399 rupees onwards, and a car charger 399 rupees onwards to fix the tablet in your car. For apps, you can go for Google Maps. It supports turn-by-turn navigation and you can download offline maps for an area so that internet connectivity is not needed. Keep in mind that you will need to take the tablet out every time you leave the car to prevent damage from sun or it being stolen. You can also check out map directions and local search app by MapMyIndia. Most tablets come with at least 8 GB of storage space. 8 GB can hold thousands of songs. Moreover, with streaming services such as Google Play Music, Gaana, SAAVN, Winky TC, you can have access to millions of songs at any given time. These services also offer offline download of songs for subscription. By default, the speakers of a tablet won't be loud enough for a bedside player, so you will just need to invest in a Bluetooth speaker. Pair the tablet with the speaker and you have your digital music player ready. Cameras on a tablet are usually subpar and not ideal for clicking pictures. However, the same camera is as good as a basic security camera in quality. Using free apps such as IP Webcam, you can set up your tablet on a desk or table and then use it as a remote security camera. The stream can be viewed in any browser and you can even have it automatically uploaded to cloud storage. If you want advanced features such as motion detection, then you will have to invest in the paid version. Kindle offers a free app for book lovers that can work with their Kindle accounts for books. Similarly, there are plethora of other free apps available: Google Play Books, Aldico, Moonplus Reader etc. that can turn your large screen tablet into an e-book reader. Most of these apps support common e-book formats and also offer options to adjust text size, font color and brightness. Also, the apps remember your reading position and can help you start from where you left off. Using a desk stand, you can use your old tablet like a digital photo frame. The default gallery app does not offer auto-cycle of stored photos, so you will have to get apps like Google Photos or Digital Photo Frame Slideshow. Both apps show your on-device photos as customizable slideshow. If you want something richer in content, get the Dayframe app. It lets you combine photos stored on the device with other services such as Instagram, etc. and show them in a slideshow. Instead of using pen and paper to jot down your schedule, you can have your old tablet work as a digital planner. Install a feature-rich calendar app such as Solcalendar, Cal, or Calendar Plus on the tablet and you can have it show location-based weather, holidays and even appointments synced from other calendars, apps and mails. Some of the apps can even be set to notify you via sound or vibration of upcoming or important events. This is only applicable on tablets with 4G support. If your tablet has 4G data capability, you can keep it connected to power, install a data SIM in it and enable Wi-Fi hotspot. This way, you can have a personal Wi-Fi available anywhere without taxing your main device's battery. All Android tablets come with personal hotspot creation capability. Head to settings greater than tethering and personal hotspot. You can set a name for your network and we highly recommend that you put a password so that no one else can use your data network.